Hey everyone, Kerry here. I just got a comment on my Facebook page basically saying to me, Kerry, I can't believe you actually charge money for your workshops. For people who are new to my Facebook page, I think a lot of the times a lot of people assume that I have a full-time job where I'm working for an organization and speaking is my side gig. And I just want everyone to know that I've been a professional speaker for almost 10 years now. And growing up with autism, I never assumed public speaking would be an avenue that I would pursue one day, but I was able to overcome a lot of my challenges, especially in terms of communication. And today I can say I travel the globe as a public speaker. And I truly, truly wish that I was a millionaire. I wish I was a millionaire so I could give all of my resources for free. But I provide a service. In every single one of the talks I give, I do research. Even from my own personal experiences growing up, I do research from leading experts in the field because I want to give people a quality product, because I truly believe that's one of the things about being a professional speaker, that I owe it to the people who are actually paying money to see me speak. So I want everyone to know that this is my full-time job, and I'm sorry I can't do this stuff for free. I know it even gets a little more murky because of COVID-19, but just as any professional would do for any specific service, I'm trying to educate the world about not only autism, but inclusion and so many more topics going on. And this is how I make a living. This is how I pay the bills. This is how I live independently. This is how I pay for my groceries. So I know that there are some people out there who say to me, Kerry, you don't know how well off you have it. And what I would like to say to those people is that you don't know what's been going on in my life. You don't know the struggles I have to go to get speaking engagements, especially during a time like COVID-19 where so many groups aren't hiring speakers, who are canceling events, who are postponing events. So for the people who think this way and make these comments, I just want you to know that I'm trying to provide a service for you every single day as a professional speaker, and hopefully one day, from enough support from our autism community, that I can do this as a free service for our community for the rest of my life. Hey everyone, Kerry Magro here from A Special Community. I can't thank you enough for watching this video, and if you like this video, please click on some more videos around our YouTube page. We are just trying to give a voice to countless people in our neurodiverse community, so please, if you can, subscribe to our video page, and then you'll also get to see a little bit more about my story from nonverbal autism to today being a professional speaker. Thanks so much, y'all.